Here's how to fix Claude AI getting stuck on the verification code. First, refresh the page and request a new verification code. On Mac, press Command plus R. Make sure you enter only the latest verification code, since older codes expire quickly. Next, check your internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or a different network. If you're using mobile data, try connecting to Wi-Fi instead. If you're connected to a VPN or proxy, disable it and try again. VPNs can interfere with the verification process or trigger additional security checks. After turning it off, refresh the page and request a new code. If the issue still isn't resolved, clear your browser's cache and cookies. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus Delete if supported by your browser, or open the browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. Select Cached Images and Files, then clear the data. Restart your browser and try verifying again. That's all for this video. Thanks.